Hello and welcome to MC Academy. This is Moiz and today we're going to be learning how to create a Microsoft account that gives you access to OneDrive and the Office 365 suite. So let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is go to signup.live.com and hit enter. Now if you don't already have an email address or you would like to create an Outlook/Hotmail email address, you can click get a new email address. Next, you have two options as to which type of email address you want, and I'll be choosing Outlook. And then I will type in MZ Academy test for my new email address and click next. And I'll uncheck this box and type in my password. And then we will click next. For the next part, we have to enter our first and last name, so I will type in test1 and click next. After that, we have to select our country/region and enter our birthday. I'll put something random for this tutorial. After that, we have to solve a puzzle to prove that we're not a robot, so we'll click next. And then we just have to flip the image until it is in the correct orientation and click done. And there you go, you've made your very own Microsoft account with access to OneDrive and Microsoft Office 365. Okay guys, that was it. Thank you for watching. Bye!